April Fool's Day. I hope you guys are not pulling pranks on your family. At least not bad pranks. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and go over and reveal our mystery image from yesterday and then introduce our mystery image for today. Let's see. So we have these pictures, this picture with alpacas and a farmer. So let's see what's going on here. If we go all the way down to the reveal, this week's image comes from an article, Australia Wildfires in Pictures. The original caption reads, Jill Rose cooled off her alpacas in Toomerong in Australia, in the Australian state of New South Wales as fires approached. So for a few months, Australia was on fire, and they had some terrible wildfires that really devastated the people and the animals and the land. And so we're seeing the farmer is spraying them with water, just cooling them off because it's so like dusty and smoky and hot outside. Aw, that one's kind of a sad one. You can see, look at all of even the color of the picture is like golden, kind of like the fires. You can see how it totally changed the environment. Okay, let's look at our one for today. Here's our mystery picture for today. So we have a bunch of little girls and we're going to answer what is going on in this picture. Just like usual, you're going to restate answer, cite your evidence, and explain. So what is going on in this picture is blah, 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 blah. I know this because, and you're going to give me details from the picture. What shows you that that's what's happening in this picture? What evidence do you have that proves that that's what is happening? And then we will reveal it tomorrow. I hope you guys are having a good day. Sorry about our math lessons yesterday. My iPad was like dropping frames, and so then every time I tried to like upload it to YouTube, it wasn't allowing me to like fully upload it. So it kept telling me on my end that it was uploaded, but when people were trying to watch it, it wouldn't go through. So that's okay. I'll have to figure out another way to record those math videos. I hope you guys are holding in there, that you're getting on Google Classroom. A lot of you have already logged on, and that you're getting yourself familiar with our class website. And we'll start full on next week on Monday, April 6th. Okay, so we're just practicing. We're getting used to things. We're kind of getting a feel for our new platforms. But next week we get started. Okay? Ta-ta for now.